Hey, boys and girls, it is Friday. You made it another week of remote learning, and your teachers and I are so proud of you. So, this week in Letterland, we have been talking about Sammy Snake and all the ways we can find Sammy Snake. Okay, so here is Sammy Snake. Here is his name, Sammy Snake. Why do you think the S in Sammy and the S in Snake are capital? Yes, because that is his name. And here is his lowercase letter. This is what he looks like in Letterland. And remember, this is his plain letter side. When we see his plain letter side, we say S. Very good. Sammy Snake likes to say his S sound in words like seven, snake, and sun. Okay, on Tuesday, we talked about plurals with Sammy Snake. Remember, plurals is more than one. Okay, I have lots of kids in my classroom. Okay, so remember our roller coaster trick? We get our roller coasters out and we blend our word together. Ready? Start at your shoulder. At, mat, mat. Now, I know this is one mat because there's not an S at the end of our word. So what happens if we put an M or an S at the end of our word? At, mats, mats. This is more than one mat. I think you guys are good getting the hang of this. Okay, let's do another one. K, a, p, cup, p, cup. How many do we have? We have one cup. Miss Lingle has one Bojangles cup. Now, what if I put another one? What if I put an S at the end of it? K, a, ps, cups, cups. Miss Lingle has two cups. She has her everyday water cup and her Bojangles cup. Okay, Sleepy Sammy. Remember we talked on Wednesday about Sammy Snake's sleepy sound. And remember, we put our hands up like we're taking a nap and we go zzz. And can you remember why Sleepy Sammy says his zzz sound instead of zigzag zebra? I hope you said because zigzag zebra is very shy and she doesn't like to show up in a lot of words. So she's asked Sammy Snake to help her out. So that's why you'll see her little Z sign at the end on the end of her word. Okay, so let's stretch this out. B, oi, z. Okay, b, oi, z. Boys. Do you hear her sound z at the end? Yes. Okay. G, Earl, z. Girls. Good job. Now this one's hard to stretch out, but we're going to do it. As, has, is, and z. Good job. Okay, yesterday we talked about Sammy Snake and Sally Snake, best friends at the end. And when they are together in a word, side by side, they say their sound at the same time. They hiss their sound at the same time. So let's get our roller coasters out. Hiss, hiss, hiss. Is, miss, miss. Es, mess, mess. Is, kiss, kiss. Can you give your mom and dad a kiss? There's a kiss from Miss Lingle. Okay, boys and girls, you have done another great job of Letterland this week, and I will be back next week, and we are going to talk about segmenting words, where we roller coastered our words to blend them together. We are going to talk about segmenting words, breaking them apart. Okay? Bye, boys and girls, and we will see you next week.